Fine. So, pranam everyone, namaskaram. My name is Dharmendra, and in daily rituals, you all are welcome. Today, as I said, the morning rituals are very powerful. My mentor, or I can say master, Jack Canfield, always says, "Power of hour." He says that if you cannot give half an hour or 1 hour for yourself, then it's very, very difficult to take control of the life. Okay, to move the forward in the life. And people keep saying that I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. But when you give half an hour to 1 hour for yourself, you are able to structure the whole day, whole life, I can say. And in yesterday's session, we all have done the end goal, right? Means goal. I hope you all have done that. And you all have also made the 4 notebooks, as I have made the 4 notebooks. So one is for the gratitude, one for the affirmation, one for the victory logbook, and one for the goal writing. So in the goal writing, what you have to do, as per the end goal, just write down the list every day morning when you get up. First 5 minutes gratitude, next 5 minutes affirmations, next 5 minutes give for the goal, whatever you want in the life. Okay, it may be the health area, maybe the you want to write the book, you want to just write it. That is like writing. It is for yourself. Please don't keep telling everybody, this is my goal. No, no, not required. Just for yourself. You have to remind yourself. So the mind gets tuned automatically. It is very, very essential. Okay. So when you write down the goal every day morning, your mind gets aligned. And then comes the victory logbook in the evening time. Just give 5 minutes, sit down in the evening and just see the whole day. What went well? What went well? What went according to you? So you wanted to get up at 5 o'clock. You were able to get up the 5. So write down. Yeah, I'm happy I got up at 5 o'clock. So that's a good thing. Okay. So this is how you all can write down your goal book. Okay, victory logbook. It's very, very powerful. Just your 20 minutes every day. I'm guaranteeing you. 20 minutes or half an hour every day will transform your life like anything. Let's start with the gratitude first of all. Put your hands, close your eyes. Please mute yourself. I request all to please mute yourself. Yeah. So I'm thankful to the Almighty for giving me a beautiful life. I'm thankful to my parents for a wonderful life. I'm thankful to my mother for bringing me with such a love and care. I still remember those days when she used to feed me. She used to prepare me for the school. She used to pack my tiffins. She used to pack my bag. She used to take me to the school. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you. I still remember my father used to take me on his shoulders because my height was very less. So thank you, Papa. Thank you for carrying me. Thank you, sisters, for putting Rakhi on my hand, taking care of me with love and care. Thank you, all the relatives, for making me a social person. Thank you, Mother Nature, for beautiful environment, beautiful plants, birds. Thank you for each and every electronic gadget, laptop, which is very much essential for communication, my mobile phone for talking to each other and being in touch, all the social medias, WhatsApp, Facebook, maybe Zoom application for interactions, online apps, all the things around us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go to the second phase, affirmations. For the health, I'm enjoying my health. I'm enjoying my jogging. I'm enjoying my Surya Namaskar, Kapalbhati, all the yogic practices. I'm feeling so happy. When I do my lung detoxification exercises, I feel great. I enjoy a lot. Every day morning, I get up and do my physical exercises. My lung detoxification, muscle stretching. It gives me immense pleasure. I'm able to do whatever I want to do with this physical body. I'm able to dance, I'm able to sing, I'm able to play. I'm able to enjoy each and every moment of life. Friends, when you say affirmations, it has to be in the present continuous tense, and you have to see the movie and you have to feel it. You have to feel it. Okay. So let's go to the next part of today's session. That is, so now two are remaining, goal and victory logbook, that you will do by your own. So after the session, just take your goal book and just write down the goals. Okay. So let's go to the next part of the session. Next part of the session is knowledge sharing. And today it's very, very important, called as know your why. Whenever you all get the time, I want you all to have a look through this book, Start with Why. It's by Simon Sinek. Whenever you all get time, go through this book known as Know Your Why. Now, why it is very, very important to know your why? Because why is something that gives you the emotional bonding. Why is something that gives you the emotional energy. Now, please understand. People come across and they say, sir, I have the knowledge, I want to do, but I'm not able to do. The reason is very, very simple. Why they are not able to do? Because they don't have the strong reason why they want to do. For example, some people say, I'm not able to get up early in the morning. They don't have the reason to get up. They don't have the reason to get up. You can do only when you have a strong reason, strong why. This why is your fuel. If you don't have the why, you will not be able to do that. For example, if somebody is suffering very badly from the health, okay, not able to stand up, not able to walk, okay, so two ways are there. Either he accept it, हाँ ठीक है, life तो ऐसी ही है, क्या कर सकते हैं, मेरी जिंदगी तो ऐसी ही है, fine. So if he accepts it, मेरी life ऐसी ही है, nothing is going to happen, because that is the acceptance, na? But if he accepts and take a decision, no, now I have suffered a lot, now I have to bounce back. Now is the time to bounce back. And why I want to bounce back? Because I want to live for myself. I want to live for my parents. I want to live for my kids. I want to live for my family. I want to live for I have to give to the society. Some emotional strong bonding has to be there. And that why is very, very essential. Why can be in every stage of the life. Every stage. Morning, suppose you want to get up and 5 o'clock, eyes are open. You are awake. You are fully awake. But still, because of laziness, then slowly the watch comes to clock is 6 o'clock. Okay. Again 8 o'clock. So you got up actually at 4 o'clock. Body clock that tells you to get up at 4. But because of the not clarity of your why, you are not able to leave the bed till 8 o'clock. So what is happening from 4 to 8? 4 to 8, all the toxins which are there, okay, all the excreta, they are not coming out of the body. And that is very, very dangerous. So your why has to be very, very clear, very, very clear. And how you will get that why? Start asking questions to yourself. Let us say, someone says, I want to get up. Okay, why you want to get up? No, I want to get up because everybody is getting up. Okay. So why you want to see others and get up? Start asking questions. Start asking questions. Do the exercise. Today, you find somebody, maybe husband, wife, maybe daughter, maybe if you have the elder kids, whatever, whoever it can be. Sit with them. Right? You ask the why for them and ask them to ask the why for you. Just do a simple practice today. Ask why. So suppose a student is there, he's not studying, parents comes. Okay, so ask, beta, why you want to study? No, Papa, Mommy says that you have to study, nah, so that's why I want to study. Huh, but why you want to listen them? Just keep asking, why? As simple as, there's no miracle science. Life is very, very simple. Friends, please write down somewhere in a notebook. Simple is doable. Please write down. Simple is doable. The more the complex things are, you are not going to do it. Not only you, nobody can do it. Nowadays, the information, so much information are going on. And why people are not able to do it? Just because of one simple reason, it is not simple. Simple things are difficult to do. Please understand. But when it is simple, the chances of doing is very, very high. Getting up early in the morning is a very simple task. But if you don't have the reason, don't have the strong why, don't have the right environment, you will not be able to do it. Why I started 7 o'clock in the morning? Because I myself do my practices in the morning 5 o'clock. So by 6:30 I finish off. I thought let's take the people in the morning at 7 o'clock. I'm not telling you to get up at 3 o'clock. No, that's fine. Absolutely fine. But at least start finding the reason. That reason finding is very, very important. And friends, please write down somewhere. For your life, you and only you are 100% responsible. For anybody. For myself also I'm saying. When I was 110 kilo, okay, 110 kg. Do you think that somebody else is responsible? That samosa wala is responsible? Vada pav wala is responsible? No? Do you think so? Not at all. I used to go to the shop. I used to buy the vada pav. I used to buy the samosa pav. I used to eat 1-2 samosas every day, morning, afternoon, whenever I want to eat. I was responsible. I was not doing my exercises. I was eating anything unconsciously. So it is only me responsible. So Jack Canfield says very beautifully, no complaining, no blaming, no justification. So if you just take the responsibility 100% for your life. So today the homework is very, very simple. Know your why. As simple as. So complete the 4 tasks which already we are doing. 4 rituals. First, gratitude. Second, I said affirmation. I repeat every day. Every day I will repeat this. First, gratitude. Second, affirmation. Third, goal. 4, victory book. Victory book has to be written in the evening before going to bed. You have to reflect the whole day, what went well, what could not. So whatever went well, write down that. If you are able to get up in the morning and able to join the morning ritual, write down. That is a success. Okay. If you could eat as per your requirement, okay, every day you are eating 500 grams rice and you decided, no, I want to eat less. And you ate only 250 gram rice. That is an achievement. That is a success. It's a good achievement. Okay, you have to write down in the victory logbook. See, don't depend on the people to come and praise you. Don't depend on the people. See, the more control you give to the people, the more chances are there life becoming miserable. कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता है, कोई मुझसे बात नहीं करता है. I don't know. Because that is totally their choice now. Yes or no? How my daughter will behave with me, that is her choice. Why you want to control? You are not the control of your life. You want to control others' life. Mama should talk good to me. Why mama will talk good to you? Why you want someone else to be good with you? So my dear friends, my question is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Make life very simple. Take 100 control of your life, 100%, and find out your why. Why you want to be healthy? Find out that why. When you say, I want to be healthy, but why? Just like that. No reason. There has to be a strong emotional reason. There has to be a strong emotional reason. My dear friends, when I was 110 kilos, okay, when I used to walk 100 steps, my breathing, I used to do like this. One floor when I used to climb now, I used to get tired. Now I run 10 floors, no problem, absolutely fine. I took a decision. I took a decision. I took a decision. You also have to take a decision, but there has to be a strong emotional connect. Strong emotion has to be there. When you are not healthy, you want support from others, na? You want someone to cook food for you. You want someone to. How you feel? You feel good or you feel bad? That may be strong emotion. Find out the strong why. Your strong why should be with the emotion. All the great business people, let's say Mukesh Ambani, he has a strong why. He has a strong why. And that's why he is able to. Because when you have a strong why, you have the emotions, then the knowledge starts coming, thought starts coming. You start attracting the people. Until unless you have strong why, strong emotions in that, it's very, very difficult to connect to the people. Get the right environment. Please, friends, I'm telling you all. Being in a right environment is also your karmas. Also your karmas. Very, very important. Morning, 7 o'clock, you are doing, I'm doing rituals, and you are with me. Okay, it's a good thing. It's your karmas. You are able to be with me. You are able to learn. You are able to take the life to the next level. When I will change, you will change, environment will change. But for that, we have to know what do we want and why we want. And why is in the core. Why is the core? Like heart, pumping station of the body, right? Blood pumping station. Similarly, what is important? What has to be very clear? Be clear what do you want in the life. That is the yesterday session it was. But today's session is why do you want? So whatever your end goals are there, whatever your mean goals are there, okay, whatever you all have written yesterday, whatever is your goal, that why is very, very essential. So when your why is clear now, your actions becomes very fast. Nobody, you become unstoppable. You don't see somebody. You have to get up in the morning, you will get up in the morning, you will do your rituals. You will not see what others are doing. Chances are very, very less because you are clear. Na? You have entangled yourself with your why. Okay, my master says, get married with your why. Get married with your why. You will not get any trouble anytime. Okay, your spouse, your partner will come, will go, doesn't make difference. Your kids may take care, may not take care, that's different story. But once you are getting married to your why, okay, then the problem gets resolved. Srila Prabhupada ji, I hope ISKCON founder, you must be knowing his story, journey. Okay, and he has that strong why was there. I have to take this knowledge to the masses. And why? Why? Because he has got the orders from his guru. You have to take this knowledge. He saw that people are having addiction, drugs, all that stuff. And there was a big challenge. So he inculcated that. I will give you a holistic way to be in nasha. Don't have to take this physical nasha, drugs and all. I will give you that nasha. And if you see the ISKCON people, they do this dancing, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, and all that so beautifully. They all enjoy. They go to the trance in the dancing. So that is how the life is. Your why has to be very, very clear. Why has to be very, very clear. So friends, just a simple task for today. For regular task, that will be there. Okay, so gratitude. Second, affirmation. Third, goal writing. Fourth, victory logbook. Regular task, every day, 20 minutes. And what is the additional task for today? Know your why. Whatever the end goal you have written yesterday, whatever you are adding in the goal book, find the emotional connect. I want to become a doctor. By why I want to become a doctor? When I was young, my father had an attack. We took him to the doctor, but doctor was 40 kilometers away. In our village, the doctor who was there was not much equipped. And he asked us to go to the city doctor, 40 kilometers away. Till we reached the hospital, doctor took him to the OT and he said, you are late by half an hour. And that time we decided, or I decided, I will learn, I will become a good doctor, I will serve to the people, those who are in the remote villages. That may be a strong why. Find your why. Find your why. It is very, very essential. If you do this task today, your life will change by 360 degree. I promise you all. So that's all for the day. It's 7:25, question time. Okay, question hour time. If anybody has question, please put in the chat box or unmute and ask. Thank you so much for being online. Any questions from anybody? Okay, fine. So you all have my WhatsApp number, you all have my email ID. So if anything, feel free to ask me, connect me. Pranam, thank you so much. Bye-bye.